Man, we're supposed to be out walking for me and y'all leaving me. How does this camcorder is crazy. I hear.
Let's go. She mad because he leaving her.
You better catch up. Kirsten.
Look where you
You
going.
see bruh? Yeah, that's bruh. He's leaving us. She mad.
Get him, baby. Get him, baby.
They keep getting fuzzy. Maybe because it's on auto. Maybe I don't want to do auto.
The light is on auto.
You know, like as long as he's sitting like up close and sitting still, it's fine. But as soon as he move away, it get fuzzy.
Don't look fuzzy to me. Oh, there it is. It's trying to zoom in.
Is it trying to adjust?
Yeah, because it's dark.
Oh. You see, bruh?
Mommy, look.
Mommy's looking, honey. I see him. The whole neighborhood knows we're outside. Can you get him over there?
Mm-hmm. And zooming in on it. Yeah, that's just a camera recorder trying to adjust.
You see Aiden. Aiden's coming.
There we go.
See him? Go down.
Hey, baby cakes. Hey, baby cakes.
Wait, son.
We finna pass you, Aiden.
You sure? You good with that? Let me get it.
I got it.
You feel better when you walk?
Yeah.
I got him. I got him.
Here's Daddy. There's Daddy.
Girl, quit grabbing me. What you want?
Look. Look at Aiden. He's gonna go up that ramp.
Oh, hold on. I got him.
Oh, no. Jump up there, Aiden. Oh, I thought he was gonna jump.
Yeah, that was amazing. Good job, Aiden.
What?
I thought you were gonna go up the side.
Oh, I can't.
You can.
Let's go backwards.
All right, no, don't eat it up. Go on. Hey, watch him, Daddy. He's finna do it.
Ooh. Quit being scared, man. Ride that thing.
Alright. I'll ride it, alright.
Well, you can ride it off the sidewalk.
My hands to stand.
You can ride it off the sidewalk. You don't have to push it.
There you go. Get on it. Let's go.
Ride on.
Good
Keep riding.
job.
Ride, boy. It's a bicycle.
He's
Get on, put your booty on the seat and pedal.
Hey, boy, it's so scary.
Good job. You were going fast that time. I thought